What's the job of a plow in farming? It's to upturn the soil and make it viable for growing crops. What about upturning your body and getting that energy activated? Namaste, I'm Silky. You're watching me on the Yoga Mile, and today we are going to practice Halasana or the plow posture. Make sure that you read the contraindications given in the video description to make sure that it's safe for you to practice. Let's get started. The starting position for the plow posture is obviously lying flat on the floor with your back down. So we're going to get into that position. So here we are with our back on the floor, legs stretched out, arms lying by the side, feet should be together, knees together, thighs together, shoulders open, neck long and relaxed. From here, we're going to start lifting the lower body, that is the two legs together straight. Okay, so for that you need a lot of strength in your core and back. So make sure you don't hurt yourself with undue strain. The best way is to inhale first. You inhale, and then as you exhale, lift both your legs up like this, straight up, and then support your buttocks as you move further and further. Your legs going behind your head, coming down, feet touching the floor, spine tall, not slouching like this, but tall. And extend your legs further if you like. Give yourself that stretch. Keep your spine comfortable. Stop short of bringing undue strain on your neck and cervical region. Cross your fingers, interlocking your palms, and extend your arms out behind your back. And take nice deep breaths. Very good massage for all your abdominal organs here. Very good for hormonal balancing. And when you want to come out of the position, release the interlocking of your arms. Inhale. And slowly bring your buttocks down first, and then gradually bring your legs down. Relax by spreading your legs and hands. Breathe nicely. You can also do some sort of backward bending posture after the Halasana. For those who have a little bit of issue lifting the legs straight up, what they can do is bend their knees first and use this as a starting position, and then lift like this up, and then open the legs. You can fold your knees again as you did in the beginning. Place your feet down one by one, release the legs. That's Halasana for you. Keep practicing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Namaste.